Welcome to Biker Rush Pro 1, and make sure you watch this full video till the end because every detail you need to know before buying is coming up. The latest HF Deluxe continues Hero's trusted legacy with a refined 100 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smoother acceleration, quieter performance, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily city travel as well as routine long-distance use. For 2026, the bike receives subtle yet noticeable design improvements, including updated body graphics, a more comfortable and wider seat, strong alloy wheels, and an improved suspension setup that handles rough roads with better balance and control. Riders can expect real-world mileage close to 70 km per liter, a practical top speed of around 90 km per hour, and a very budget-friendly price that keeps it among the most affordable options in the entry-level commuter segment. When compared with rivals like other basic 100 cubic centimeters commuter motorcycles, the HF Deluxe stands out with smoother ride quality, modern styling touches, lower maintenance costs, and Hero's massive service network that ensures long-term peace of mind almost everywhere. This motorcycle is not about aggressive speed or racing power. It is built for students, office commuters, delivery riders, and anyone who wants dependable performance with minimum fuel expense and maximum durability. If your priority in 2026 is saving money while enjoying a comfortable and trustworthy ride every single day, the Hero HF Deluxe remains one of the smartest choices in its class. Thanks for watching on Biker Rush Pro 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest bike reviews, comparisons, and upcoming motorcycle updates.